The intriguing saga unfolding in episode 21 of The Conqueror of Jerusalem, a detailed analysis. In the latest episode of the riveting series, Conqueror of Jerusalem, viewers were treated to a whirlwind of political maneuvering, strategic battles, and unexpected alliances as the characters navigated treacherous waters in their quest for power and redemption. Episode 21 plunged us deeper into the heart of the conflict, where Selehaddin and Sultan Nureddin found themselves embroiled in a complex web of alliances and betrayals, all while facing the formidable threat posed by Bernard and the Crusaders. The episode kicked off with Selehaddin and Sultan Nureddin hatching a daring plan to rescue captives from Bernard's clutches by infiltrating Damascus. Their risky gambit paid off as they successfully managed to open the gates of the city, setting the stage for a showdown with the Crusaders. However, their victory was short-lived as Shirkuh's advance on Damascus was abruptly halted by the enigmatic Mevdud, throwing Sultan Nureddin into a precarious position. As tensions escalated and the threat of war loomed large, Sultan Nureddin found himself facing internal discord within his ranks, with Mevdud's betrayal complicating matters further. The timely intervention of Karategin and his men provided a much-needed reprieve, allowing Sultan Nureddin to regroup and strategize for the impending battle against Bernard's forces. Meanwhile, Selehaddin found himself locked in a fierce struggle with Victoria and the Crusaders, as he raced against time to rescue Suraya and Rabia from their captors. With the fate of Damascus hanging in the balance, Sultan Nureddin and Selehaddin joined forces to devise a new battle strategy, leveraging Selehaddin's intimate knowledge of the city to outmaneuver Bernard and his Crusader armies. However, just as victory seemed within reach, the arrival of Seljuk Sultan Dolit threw a wrench into their plans, altering the dynamics of the conflict and posing a new set of challenges for Sultan Nureddin and Selehaddin to overcome. As the battle against the Crusaders intensified and power struggles erupted within the ranks, Sultan Nureddin found himself locked in a fierce showdown with Mevdud, with the fate of Damascus hanging in the balance. The stage is set for a dramatic showdown as Sultan Nureddin and Selehaddin must navigate the treacherous waters of political intrigue, betrayal, and warfare to reclaim the capital and emerge victorious in the face of overwhelming odds. Will they be able to overcome the challenges posed by Dolit's arrival? Can Sultan Nureddin triumph over Mevdud and restore order to his fractured state? And most importantly, will Selehaddin succeed in reclaiming Damascus, now a shadow of its former glory in the hands of Bernard? As the series hurtles towards its thrilling conclusion, viewers are left on the edge of their seats, eagerly anticipating the next twist in this epic tale of power, ambition, and redemption. Stay tuned as The Conqueror of Jerusalem continues to captivate audiences with its gripping narrative and unforgettable characters.